Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Gary and Tootsie. Today we're on our way to what's called Liftoff. It's a band fest in Melbourne, Florida. It's their third year, and it's full of music, food trucks, games, dance parties, and full of vans, skoolies, and Class Cs, all kinds of different vehicles. And right now I'm heading into the staging area where a bunch of us from Florida Band Gatherings is meeting up so that we can all go in together.
Here's my Tootsie. How you doing, Tootsie? Huh? You doing good? You my pretty girl? Huh? You gonna say hi to all the YouTubers out there? And all the watchers? You're my pretty girl.
Now, today is arrival day. and there's not going to be a lot going on. It's pretty cold and windy, but we're supposed to have a welcome potluck at about 6 o'clock. And there'll be at 5 o'clock, there'll be a bring your own drink, sip, and paint. And then at 8 o'clock, there'll be a stand up and trivia at the main stage. And at 8:30, there'll be band jams, open mic, and karaoke. And at 10:15 to midnight, there'll be a late night silent dance. As you can see, we have a lot of vans here. Some are Dodge or Ford Transits, some are the Ram ProMasters, some are Sprinters. We have some SUVs, and there are some car campers and Class C's. We've got some Class A's, some skoolies, and all kinds of vehicles here. Over on this section here, I'll be exhibiting my van. A lot of these people will be given van tours during the Saturday and Sunday when it's open to the public.
How's it going, Richard? Lenny! How's it going?
Good.
Just now that it's stopped raining.
See, I'm like a dog. I'm laying in the sun. This is my friend David. Darlene could not make it, so David said, "Can I take her place?" And I said, "Sure." He wanted to come hang out for the weekend.
Uh-huh. Yeah, now that the sun's come out, it's gonna.
Everybody, it's funny because everybody was cocooning. As soon as it stopped and the sun came out, all of a sudden, all the awnings started coming out. All the doors opened up.
I was gonna put my awning out. I'm gonna wait for the wind to calm down.
Right. Well, I told them to stay down.
But I'm doing a pirate theme. Well, you know, I named my band Silver Pearl.
Right.
Because my high school was pirates and that, so I got some pirate flags I'm gonna put on there. Got a treasure map inside, and if I do it, I've got a 5x7 background with the pirate ship and, you know, treasure and everything. So I might do that later. So. Say hi, Tracy.
Nice jacket you got.
Yeah, from my country western days. Did you get one of my decals?
I don't think so. All I gotta do. Oh, Gary and Tootsie.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. I've got our Florida Band Gathering stickers too that I'll grab out.
Oh, I made my own.
Huh?
I made my own.
For the out of that
Those,
logo?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Then I'm not gonna give you
I
any.
told you I put a file up. It's in a cut file. If you want to
Okay.
make a decal or whatever
Yeah.
out of it, you know. I put it.
I'm not, I know we're not there yet.
I told anybody that wants a file, I've got 4 different, like an
Formats?
SVG,
Okay,
CDR,
very cool,
and
yeah.
PING,
I
and
wouldn't mind doing like a flag like.
and a PDF file, and so
Yeah, very cool.
it can be cut.
Yeah, well, I have 100 stickers, so I made a bunch of
Okay.
stickers. So cool. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
This section here is where all the skoolies are parked and some of us exhibitors.
There's my van, Gary and Tootsie, the Silver Pearl.
There's Sarah's van with the blue stripe, and right next to her is Brent and Goldie there, Prius. This van here belongs to Barrel Van Hippie from Vermont. Well, that brings us to the end of day one at Fest Liftoff in Melbourne, Florida. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.